Hi and welcome to the demo of Sales and Margin Summary Dashboard. This is a smart tool designed by Perceptive Analytics to help businesses understand the root causes behind sales and margin variance by drilling down to account and product level details. We built this dashboard for a client in food and manufacturing industry. It is specifically designed for C-level executives to identify their most profitable and unprofitable products and client groups. At the top, we have a high-level summary. Here, we can quickly see KPIs that give an instant snapshot of how the business is performing. Below that, we have monthly trends. It shows us how net sales, margin, and tonnage are moving month over month. In this view, we can clearly see a sharp decline in both sales and tonnage. We can also observe a negative sales variance of 13 million compared to the last month. To understand what's driving this drop, let's look at the sales variance by master product category. We see that beverages has experienced the biggest decline. So let's click here and select this category to drill down further. Now, the entire dashboard will filter to show data for beverage category alone. As we analyze the product list here, we can see that these three beverage products have declined the most and contributed greatly to the sales decline. We can leverage these insights and identify whether the decline in sales is due to low demand this month or is it a product related issue. Now let's figure out which customer accounts ordered less this month. We can see that the food service chain customer group saw the biggest drop. Let's click here and select this group to identify the specific accounts behind this decline. Now we have a filtered list of these customers that contributed to the negative sales variance this month. Let's click here and select this one customer to review their details. We can easily access their contact information along with the breakdown of their sales, tonnage, and margin by product categories. We notice that this customer significantly reduced orders from herbal tea, Greek yogurt, and chai tea categories. With this insight, the sales teams can directly contact this customer to understand their changing needs and re-engage them with more aligned offerings. With this dashboard, C-level executives can track monthly sales trends, identify root causes behind sales changes, focus on the high potential products and customers, and use customer insights for strategic account management. We are your trusted data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.